In the previous session, entitled The Stepper Motor and Translator, the translator portion of the control system was described as a black box that responded to pulse and direction signals so that each pulse affected movement of the motor shaft by a tiny amount. The direction input determined whether the pulse moved the motor shaft clockwise or counterclockwise. The portion of the control system that generates these signals is called the indexer. The indexer can also be understood as a functional element, another black box, which receives input from one source and responds by generating pulse and direction signals according to the command that it has received. Some indexers consist of a controller card like this one. To use this card, an application program communicates commands to a microprocessor located on the card. The card's microprocessor, in turn, generates the pulse and direction signals necessary to direct the translator. Other manufacturers may use an external circuit that receives commands from the application program by means of a serial port. Some manufacturers even package the indexer with the translator. As it was mentioned in the session entitled Overview, Ability Systems Indexer LPT uses the microprocessor contained in an IBM-compatible PC in conjunction with standard parallel interface adapters to generate translator-compatible control signals. This series of sessions uses Ability Systems Indexer LPT software to demonstrate the function of the indexer. Similar to a hardware-based indexer, Indexer LPT has no user interface, and so it requires an application program for it to receive commands. The diagnostic program that comes with Indexer LPT is a very simple application program designed for the purpose of exercising Indexer LPT commands. Here in its command dialog, Indexer LPT's plain English commands can be typed into a field. After a command is sent to Indexer LPT, the command and associated feedback is scrolled to the diagnostic program's display, as shown here. We'll use the diagnostic program to demonstrate some important concepts regarding indexers. We will also use Ability Systems G-Code Controller application program, which also generates Indexer LPT commands. Sequences of commands are more easily demonstrated from a more powerful application program, and it's helpful to see how the application program and indexer are designed to work together. So please relax and enjoy the following sessions, starting with the next one entitled Instantaneous and Accelerated Motor Movement.